Guys, welcome back to another interesting vlog. We are currently at Abbotsford International Airshow and it's my 4th time attending this show, and I started it 2 years after I met my husband.
Babe, since what year did you started?
And yes, you heard it right. It's my husband's tradition that he kept it alive since 2017. He hasn't missed a single event, and this year is just no exception. The highlight of this year's air show are the Canadian Forces Snowbirds and the US Air Force F-22 Raptor demo team. We are just so excited to witness them all. What to expect in this show? So there will be lots of amazing aerobatic performances and demonstrations. Other things to check out is the static aircraft display, food trucks, and souvenirs. And of course, we don't want to miss to avail some of the souvenirs, and we decided to buy a shirt, especially that this year they are celebrating the 100th anniversary of the Royal Canadian Air Force. Guys, you wouldn't take those freebies easily. You have to work hard for it, just like me. 35 squats.
34. Yay! Good job! Get your prize! Thank you! Good job, mommy!
Now it's Happy's turn. Go, babe!
4.
He has to take
5,
this 10 push-ups.
7, 8, 9, and 10. Perfect.
Yay! Good job, Danny!
Speed run.
And I put it in my backpack.
Wow. And now it's time for some refresher drinks.
Hello.
Finally guys, after a few years of cancellations, this time they were able to pull it off. And that's my husband. Super fun niya talaga yung F-22 Raptor. After that intense performance of F-22, it's time for some foodies, and ganito lang naman kahaba ang pila dito.
Long lineup for food.
And he grabs his donair.
Yummy, yummy.
Ooh. Aww. And I'm still waiting for my order.
Hey, finally.
Yay guys, this is what we got, freebies for today's air show. And that's the bag that I worked so hard. Good morning! Happy Saturday! And we are back here at Abbotsford Airshow. It's our day 2. So we woke up a little bit early, around 7:30-ish, and we're hoping to get in before 9 o'clock or before 9:30, but apparently we were standing in line for almost 45 minutes, I guess, because they will not open the gate not until 9:30, but it is what it is. At least right now we are already in. Yay!
Morning.
Morning!
You're good. Thank you.
It's 9:46 already. Good morning, Nickel. Did we wake you up?
Somewhat.
Okay, look what my husband prepared for breakfast. Mikkel. That's
Bartek.
Bartek. And that's for
Abby.
me. Thank you, babe.
You're welcome.
And he also got
Water.
electrolytes for-
Water with some electrolytes in there. Yeah. And of course, I do have my soft drinks. This is just basically breakfast, guys, because we're gonna have lunch
What is
later
it?
on and find some foods here at Abbotsford Airshow. So for now, it's quite empty, but we'll see if after a few hours it's gonna be full of people again. Yay! Good job!
Gently. It's lighter than you think. Come on, you already have easy mode. Oh my god.
You can't get easier than that. You failed it. You failed it. You can't do it.
Well,
You should take it. You should take it
you're
and
not-
put it by a hand.
well, you're not winning golfing championship anytime soon.
No. It doesn't want to go.
Oh.
Screwdriver.
Oh, thank you. Oh, there you go. Meant for you.
Handy.
After exploring all the fun activities and checking out the static aircraft displays, it's time to head back to our seats, ready to sit back and enjoy some incredible aerial performances. Hey guys, so this is what we got on our second day at Abbotsford Airshow. Those free goodies. So hanggang next year ulit. The Abbotsford International Airshow is definitely one of Metro Vancouver's top annual events, especially for people who likes airplanes just like us. Thanks for watching and see you on our next adventure.